Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications as well as email notifications from Instacart. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and then proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will end up within your homepage. Now, if you wish to turn off any email or push notifications that you receive from Instacart, then click on Account at the bottom left corner and then click on Your Account Settings, which will then take you into your account settings page. Now, within this page, click on Notification Settings at the left side, and you will now see various different notification types that you are eligible to receive. Now underneath within the email notifications and push notifications option, just click on the toggle at the right side in order to turn these notifications off. And you also have various other notification categories that you can turn on or turn off based on your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off email and push notifications on your Instacart account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.